there is another option if you want to run Kotlin code, right? So if you go to Google and type Kotlin Playground, this should show up. So I'm going to click this first link and should take us to a page like this. Now, you may not see this. In fact, you may see something a little bit different with a little bit of code or comments at the top here. The reason why it's like this is because I've been here before. And so it saved what I had written before. Okay. So you're probably going to have something like this that says hello world of some sort and some code or comment at the top of main. That doesn't matter. What matters is that it's what they call Kotlin Playground. So it's a place where you can come and write code, Kotlin code, and run it and see the results. So it's really simple and easy and fast if you want just something real quick instead of going through the IDE, the Android Studio, as I showed you. You can come straight here and start typing Kotlin code. Okay, so it's a really great place. It's a playground, right? So you go and play with some ideas and learn stuff. In this case, Kotlin. So in this case here, we can do the same thing. You see that we have the fun main, and it's a function, right? And then inside we have this println, or print, could be print as well, but println works. In fact, if I go like this, I think this will work. Let's see. Yes, it will work. Println is print line, which means it's going to go to a different line each time. But anyway, print is going to print hello world, as you see there. If I say println, slightly different, of course, it's going to print a new line every time we want to print something else. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So that's the main point here, is that we can do the same thing we did in our IDE Android Studio. I can say val, just say name, set it to something, James. Okay. And change here and invoke James, the variable. I can just put the $sign and say name. Okay. It even has code suggestion, which is real handy. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and run. We should see in a second, hello, James. Very good. So that's another option. And there are a lot of things you can do within Kotlin Playground, I should say. One of which is you can share this code here. If you click here, you can embed Medium, embed other places. There's the code. You can actually copy this and send to your friends or somebody to look at your code. Okay. So really, there's hands-on, there's examples, and so forth. But I like this option as well. If you want to explore it, you're more than welcome, or you can just stick to Android Studio. It doesn't really matter. All right, there you have it. You have another option, which is Kotlin Playground.